Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about how to create interference. Here this command interference between more than component. So how can go to use? So let's go start from interference. So first of all I will go to make the diagram here. So when I start from rectangle, this one is start from first rectangle, in particular enter D and provide the distance is height 2500 and second distance I have go to provide in 500. So this one has make the rectangle right now. Look at this. Then I have create this and also go to extrude right now, then enter the extrude and click the line and press the enter. Then how much distance we will provide? After we will provide the distance is 1200. So this is make the one extrude component. And also I have go to create the sketch in rectangle command. In this area I have go to draw in particular distance. I have go to provide like 3000 in this distance. When I get press D enter, then I will provide the 3000, then also provide the 600. Now this one is here the rectangle right now. When I want to go to rotate sketch command, so if I select this, here not available in rotate command, so when I get this here, this one is rotate command. So also I get use rotate command and I get rotate in particular distance. Then I will select this body and get move, aim enter, and also move in this area. So then after I will show you extrude command. So here you can see that enter and also get how much distance. So it will be provide 1200 distance, enter. So this one is interference of two component, but I will get selection is individual selection. Same this one I get selection is individual selection. So it means both of us selection is body is going to be individual selection. So when I get interference, so first of all this one is interference command, interference. So interfere this command. When I get interfere, so when enter the here, then select this first command and also enter, then get select second command and also enter. So see this interfere is our command is showing this particular area. So what happened that when calculate how much interference in our body for this area, we will properly see this interfere. Like again I will show you the enter the interfere, right, and select this one and enter, then select this one and enter. It is so the interference command, right? So very easy. Again I will show you another thing. I have go to create in another rectangle in this area. I will start from this area. When I make the rectangle right now, the inter I will provide 400 and also enter 400. So this one has make the rectangle right now. If I want move in some distance, so when I get move here, okay, this one has create the rectangle simplify. Then I will go to after I will move in extrude command here. This one is extrude here, and also get extrude in some distance, enter, and 800 distance. So this one has make the extruded command, but this one is also individual, and right, same thing, this one is also individual, same thing, this one is also individual. So again I will show you how get the interfere in this whole body right now. When first of all get the interfere, then select this body, also enter, then select this body, also enter. Look at this particular body and this particular body between create interfere in this area is interfere. Again I will show you, again enter this in here, interfere, then select this body, enter, then also select this body, enter. Right, between this spot and this spot between interfere. So it means when it is very easy to get the interfere in both of component. It is very useful for understanding of interfere in between many different commands. So it's like make the extras extruded here, then I get extrude right now and extend some distance. Then also I will show you interference between this command here. This one is interfere, enter the here and select this body, also enter, then select this body, also enter. Between like that, it one this component and this component between the interfere, this is not matter. Same thing again I will show you right now, and I get this body, okay, this one enter and this one enter, they are no interfere because not showing here. Same thing, enter this here, this click, enter, this one is click, enter, they are not presenting not showing interfere. But I will enter this here, this component, and also enter, and this component also enter. Look at this one between this one is going to be interfere. So it means it's a very easy form to check out in how many area in interfere in AutoCAD 3D. So this is a great tool for command in this AutoCAD. So today has completed this session, and thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe our channel.